Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about inserting a node at a specific location in a linked list. That means after a node, insert a specific node after a node. So friend, we are going, that we are going to discuss about the linked list, singly linked list. A linked list is nothing but a one-way list. Is a linear collection of data element called as a node, and each node is divided into two parts. You know that the first part contains the information of the element. We say that the data or value between the element, and the second part is called as the link field or a next pointer field that contain the address of the next node in the list. So friend, at the previous lecture we had seen how to insert a node at the end of the linked list. Now in the today's session we are going to start how to insert a node at a specific location. So we can use the following step to insert a new node after a node in a single linked list. So first step is that it is regular step to create a new node with a given value. So check whether the list is empty or not. So how we can check? If the head equal to null, then we say that the linked list is empty. So if the linked list is empty, then set the new node of next equal to null and head equal to new node. Now if the list is not empty, then define a node pointer temp and initialize with the head. So keep moving the temp to its next node until it reaches to the node after which we want to insert a new node. So until temp of data is equal to location, here location is the node value after which we want to insert a new node. So what is location? Location is nothing but the data value that after which you want to insert a new node. So these algorithm are practically we are going to show. Now every time check whether the temp is reached to the last node or not. If it is reached to the last node, then display a given node is not found in the list and insertion is not possible message will be displayed and terminate the function. Otherwise move the temp to the next node. And finally set the value of new node of next to temp of next and temp of next equal to new node. Now see that here we pictorially represent the how to insert the element in between the two elements. Suppose we give the location 20 and 30. We insert this new node in between 20 and 30. So first we assign the head pointer to first node and temp pointer to the head. Now check that temp, if the value of temp is equal to value of head, and if not, then temp goes to the next, head of next. Now here we see that practically here I take a function insert between function. I pass the argument value integer location 1 and location 2. Location 1 means the value of the first node and value of the another node in which we insert a new node. Now here we can create a node struct node star new node equal to struct node star malloc size of struct node. Now here we assign the data new node of data to particular value and check that if the value of head equal to null, then we set that new node of next equal to null and head equal to new node. Otherwise else we create a temp node and we assign the value of head to the temp. Now check that while checking temp of data is not equal to location 1 and temp of data is not equal to location 2, then we set the temp to the temp of next. Now new node of next equal to temp of next and temp of next equal to new node. So this assignment will be shown like that. Suppose we insert the value between 20 and 30, then temp check that the value will be of the location 1. No, then 20. Yes, then it will be insert between 20 and 30. Now it will be assigned temp of next to the new node and new node of next to the another node. So this will be assignment is in the while loop, and it will print the message one node is inserted. So in this simple manner we insert the element in the linked list as at the beginning of the list, at the end of the list, and at a specific location in a linked list. So friend, this is the insertion operation in the linked list. Now in the next lecture we are going to start how to delete an element from the linked list. Thank you friend.